Hey, so I'm gonna do my first hand at Lechon, and I have put my pork belly in the refrigerator. It's been there for 2 days. As you can see, it's dry here, not so much here. There's a lot of salt on it, and I put vinegar on it, and there's holes in it that I used. I used a corn picker-upper thing, and I know the sides look a little dry, but I want to get everybody's opinion and see if they think it's ready for the oven or if I should just let it go another day. And I can. I'm patient. It's making me nuts, but I'm being patient about doing it correctly. And some tips. There's so many different ways to cook Lechon pork belly. People flip it upside down, which I tried that with chicken and it doesn't work. They broil it, which I can broil. I do have, I think I have broil. I have broil in this oven. I haven't used it before. So I can broil the you know what out of the skin. So please help me. I'm trying to make this and I want to do it right. So any advice would be awesome. Thank you.